Hey, well, hello guys. Welcome to or welcome back to Figs Outside. So, this video is pertaining to our 2014 Yukon XL and the key fob. It is really jacked up. And so when I went to have these looked at and replaced, I went to the auto parts store and I looked online. The auto parts store quoted me 160 bucks for this thing. I thought that was kind of a lot, but then I guess it's actually kind of cheap compared to some. And so this is the other one that we have. The top is broke off. This one, it got dropped several times. Then one of the times dropped it, and you're bending over and you're trying to walk, and it got stepped on, and the battery popped out. So I went online, I looked, and I found them on Amazon, and you can actually just replace the housing for the key fob. They make, all the different vehicles. They had all different types of models, and so these were like $8 or $9 compared to $160 to replace this thing. So I've never done this before. It'll be something new, something interesting, and shouldn't be that difficult. You're supposed to just replace it. You replace the internal components, which is this piece right here, the little board in the circuitry, and it looks like they should just pop out. And it's got a little, that's the little weather seal that goes on it. And so, yeah, let's get this underway, huh? So we'll do this one first. This one here, the top is broke off, as you can see, and it pops open every now and then. So we're just gonna pop that thing. Oh yeah, look at, because the top's been popped open. We got some hay in there, so there's that, and that's where the battery goes. So you guys can see that. And so on the back of your key fob, the housing, there is, I had it right here. So this one, it's kind of hard to see, but usually right in here on several of them, it'll tell you, if I get that in the camera, you guys can kind of see it anywhere. It'll tell you the model that it fits. And this one is the GM. And like I said, this is for 2014. You kind of see the numbers there. And so I just looked it up, and then I found the one that's compatible, although the new one does not have the model number and all that stuff on the back, so that's always good to keep. And so we'll put that back in there. Does it tell you what kind of battery it is too? No, it does not. Okay, so we're going to pop the battery out of there. We're just going to take it and do a direct replacement. We're not going to try to fiddle fart with it. It snaps in there perfectly. Take this. And now we're going to see if we could pop out this board. And so it's super simple. Look at that. Just really, really easy. I mean, if you wanted to, you could even use your previous little silicone button mold there. Am I getting that on mine? So I don't want to touch any of the components. I don't really know. So that should be it. Hold on here. It just snaps together. All right. Well, that was it. All right, guys. So I just came out here outside to get out of the garage. So here is the old key fob with the broken end. This is the new one. So let's check it out. See if we can hear the lock. Oh, yep, it did. I didn't even think it would honk. So yeah, as you can see, lighting up too. So works great. So to replace the whole key fob, the housing and everything, like they quoted me, at the auto parts store, 160 bucks. Or take 2 minutes and replace the housing and just use the little motherboard or the chip or whatever you want. I don't know what it's called. But one thing I was going to tell you is that see if we can, actually let's walk out here. Let's see if we can do this. Might be a little too bright, I don't know. So right there, right above my finger, there is a tiny little gap in the seal that goes all the way around. and that's so you could use like a little screwdriver, or I mean, shoot, even a butter knife or anything like that if you wanted. And that's how you pop those open. You just put it in there and kind of twist it sideways, and it'll pop that all the way open. And then you just switch out the board. So pretty awesome. Like I said, even if you wanted, you like your old dirty worn out buttons, you can even replace your old one and take the new pretty buttons out. And anyway, that's it. So if you like this video, it helps you out, which I hope it does. Like I said, when I looked on Amazon, they had all of them. They even had new fobs for housings for my Dodge, which is an 05, and they had Fords, they had other GMs, they had all different cars. So super cheap. So if you break the housing, you don't have to go and replace the whole thing for $160 up to $400. I would just look online and yeah, do a little bit of research, do a little bit of homework, and you can replace it. So thanks for hanging out with me. Hit this thumbs up button and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great day.